जैसे कि हमें पता है यू आर इन टॉपर फ्रॉम MIT बट इन ENTC, so altogether different field, and then you were as well doing a stable and a very proper good profile job IBM में as a SAP developer, वहाँ से real estate में. So what was that point that caused this shift from a ENTC engineer working in IBM to a real estate?
No dynamic shift as such कि ऐसा कोई picture की story नहीं थी. It was just that I was happily working in IBM, and before marriage I was working, even after marriage for a year I was working. But then when my first daughter was born, during that time when I was on my maternity leave, so I was getting bored because I was used to working all day, and फिर उसके बिना मेरा काम ऐसे दिमाग बहुत मैं परेशान हो जाती हूँ अगर मैं काम नहीं करती हूँ. दैट्स देयर इन मी. एट दैट टाइम आई जस्ट डिस्कस्ड विद माई हस्बैंड अनूप कि मैं क्या करूँ. ही इज लाइक कम टू ऑफिस एनीवेज.
ऑफिस आ जाओ.
हाँ, एनीवेज माई डॉटर यूज टू स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून्स, सो आई टोल्ड हिम ठीक है 2-3 घंटे में आ जाती हूँ. So that time we were not into real estate. That time we were into our trading business, so which is still there. It's a core business of our company. So वहाँ पे फिर मैंने कहा कि अभी क्या करूँगी, तो मैंने सोचा 2-3 महीने का है काम तो अकाउंट्स देख लेती हूँ. सिंस आई वॉज फ्रॉम द IT बैकग्राउंड, आई वॉज ट्रेड, तो एक्सेल आता था और टैली सीख लिया मैंने, तो वैसे चालू किया काम करना. सो देन आई टुक इट अप कि इन द नेक्स्ट 2-3 months till the time I am here, I'll file all the returns and all. While filing those returns, there was never a go back to the IT company again, because then I also felt कि it's a family business. And Anup always had that aspiration of growing it to a good real estate company, though we were stabilizing the trading vertical at that time, because the trading vertical had very less turnovers and we were not able to start a real estate project with the money that we had from the trading business. Okay, I thought I would support his aspirations, and then there is so much of growth, and I have always believed in his dreams, and he's not the one who only dreams. He makes sure that the dreams turn into success. So I thought why not support the family business and grow it together. So that's how I entered into real estate. And since I started with accounts, then gradually finance came into picture when we started more and more projects, and when we had to raise funds. That's how it started. And then while we were growing the company from an 8-member team to 30 people, 40 people,
50 now.
So 30 people, 40 people, then gradually HR came. Then when we had multiple projects, sales came into picture, then post-sales, recoveries, all those things. Slowly and gradually, everything came into picture. Yes. So there was no entry point into real estate. It was just luck by chance बोलते हैं ना, वैसा था. मैं आ गई और फिर I never went back.
परफेक्ट. बहुत ही खूबसूरत आपने अभी एक लाइन बोली कि इफ आई डोंट सपोर्ट हिज एस्पिरेशंस हु विल. आपके हिसाब से एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में एक हस्बैंड वाइफ की पार्टनरशिप कितनी क्रूशियल होती है?
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में या लाइफ में एक्चुअली हस्बैंड वाइफ की पार्टनरशिप बहुत क्रूशियल होती है, बिकॉज at the end of the day it is we both now who are going to decide everything that is related to our family or everything that is related to the business. So I think it is very important for us to be together on one page. So we have different ways of working. Obviously I'm not saying that both of us are same or similar in our ways of working. We have different ways of working, but it is towards a common goal. So I think ki working towards a common goal is ek dreamer and another dreamer coming together and following a vision and
walking towards a common goal.
Wanting to reach a common goal helps.
Perfect.
I think it helps.
So do you recall any example from this last 15-16 years जहाँ पे पार्टनरशिप के वजह से you navigated through some challenge and the partnership actually made a difference?
एक example तो कम होगा, because there are so many things that have happened in all these years that we both have faced, and we've grown together. But I would say our ideologies have helped us a lot. So he's a very, very calculated, a very intelligent person who is focused on numbers are his,
strength.
Strength. And my strength is people and relations. So that has helped us a lot, because it's a combination of both the things that drive business. It is not IQ, it is also EQ. And then when it gets intermingled, I think things happen in a better way.
Perfect.
That's how.
And EQ is being more and more important and being added to the syllabus as well now these days.